Alright, here's a quick rundown of the installation of the electronic protection valve. This is in the Scarlet Maple Farm Sugar Bush here in Denmark, Wisconsin. I'll give you a quick tour. So here is the electronic protection valve control box. Out of that control box, we just wired up to 110 volts. For the probes themselves, now we decided to install the probes right above where the float switch would turn on. So here in this H2O releaser, I'm lifting up. The float switch turns on right here. So I am, about maybe 2-3 inches above where that float switch turns on. And just below, so if I look at where that is just below where the float would start being sucked up. So I have one probe here, and the other probe, maybe 30 degrees over in this vertical cylinder at about the same height. I did make one just a little bit higher, so I can just adjust the height easily just by punching one hole instead of two. On the outside, we just connected the common to one of them, and then the other one is the close port. So then as soon as SAP in this scenario is between these two ports, essentially tells me that the main releaser, or the main pump in the releaser, is not keeping up properly. So as soon as the SAP touches those two probes, what's going to happen is this valve right here will close. Notice the direction of the arrow. The air is moving through the valve that way, and so then this valve will close, preventing any sap from being sucked up. And as soon as the pump catches up and those probes clear, it'll be a 10-second delay, and at that point the valve will reopen, re-engage, overall preventing or saving me a trip out here than when we suck up this ball in the past. So that's just a quick overview of the electronic protection valve. One other thing, when you install this valve, at least initially, we do want it vertical, as you see here, and just make sure when you install it, the arrow is pointed towards the pump. So air is flowing towards the pump. That is the installation. Reach out with any questions.